What's up, guys? There is a breaking news, and I just recorded a video, so just give me a few minutes to post this video. Then we can continue with the second business. Okay. I'm just trying to post this video, then I can join you guys. Just give me a few minutes, guys. Woo! There is a breaking news. There is a breaking news. Okay. There is a breaking news about Bionano Genomics. So I just finished recording the video, so now I just have to post it and then I can join you guys. I'm still trying to edit the I think the video is already loaded. Now I'm trying to edit the thumbnail and then I can, drop the news. bngo is going to explode, guys. This stock is going to explode. We're going to look back in the next 3 years and be glad we jumped on Bionano Genomics, and we will be glad we didn't chicken out of this stock. If you are, presently invested in bngo and if you are presently invested in Bionano Genomics, but you are worried about your position, just close your computer and go and do something else so that you don't get distracted by what is going on right now. So, all right. It's super warm in Germany today, guys. I think it's almost 30 degrees. I can't even put on my 21 degree. Are you kidding me? It's 21 degree, but I'm feeling like I feel like I'm in Africa. It's super hot. So I'm trying to post my breaking news video about Bionano Genomics so that, after this live stream, or you guys can just take a break from this live stream and go and check it out. But I'm going to stay on. I think I have like 1 hour to be live today, and then I still have to make 1 or 2 videos, about bngo today, and of course about my second stock, EVFM. So this is published. Okay, so this is published. Let me see. Okay, it's published. So this is live. I just shared a video, guys. It's a breaking news, more or less about Bionano Genomics. It's a breaking news. So I need to share it with my subscribers, followers all across every platform. Then I'm going to join you guys. Just give me a few more minutes, just 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to share it on Twitter, and I'm going to join you guys. Okay. The Sapphire device. There is this massive dip. I think the stock price went as low as 7.37 US dollars today. That was a great opportunity for whoever wants to add to their position. Bionanians. But of course, most people are more or less checking out. In this video that I just shared, I spoke about why the market is going down today and what you guys should expect. I spoke about it in this video, so you may want to take a break and go and check it out and come back later to join me live, because we have to talk about a lot of things as well. So I just shared it, and it's a breaking news. Okay, it's a breaking news. bngo, Bionano Genomics. Just a second, guys. I'm going to be with you in a minute. whenever I make a video, I have to share it everywhere so that my subscribers, they are all across, on Reddit, on Twitter, on whatever. So I need to share it everywhere so that they all can see it. Amazing news, guys. Amazing news. So, okay, on Reddit, then I am done. On Reddit, I need to post it on Reddit as well. Then I am done. Then we can talk about Bionano Genomics. What is going on with the stock? Guys, if you are not yet a member of my Reddit community, please go and join the community. I'm growing the community little by little. Right now we have about 150 members, and I expect to keep posting in that community, and I expect it to keep growing because I'm here. We are going to be here the next, by God's grace, we are going to be healthy. Every one of us, we are going to be here to the next 5 years, and we'll still be here talking about stocks, hopefully Bionano Genomics as well. So, okay, guys. So, okay, let's take a look at what is going on with Bionano Genomics right now. Why is this stock down at the moment? So I need to reset this. I need to reset this. I'm going to be here for the next. I don't know what I should share with you guys. If I should share this chart with you guys, or so let me share this chart with you guys. I have Tesla, I have Bionano Genomics, I have EVFM, and I have ISN20 surgical, because I want to talk about these things today. So share screen. I have to stop sharing the screen so that I can start everything all over again, guys. Okay, so bear with me. So this window, share this window. Okay, so yeah, we are set to go. I'm gonna bring this over here. I think we are set to go. All right, so we are set to go. We are set. Now, I want to talk about, the 3 stocks that you should consider buying according to an article from the Monthly Fool. But I want to show you guys something that is super interesting, okay? Something that is, you know how I do, how I make my own videos. I love showing you guys. I'm more or less, not just after the price action and stuff. I am also after, comparing companies and trying to figure out where Bionano Genomics is going to be in the next, let's say in the next 5 years, okay? So I like comparing stocks and telling you guys what you guys might be missing about Bionano Genomics. So I'm going to show a lot of things with you guys in this live stream. I'm going to talk about, ARK Invest, a stock that they have been buying, which of course is this Intuitive. And then we are going to compare Intuitive to Bionano Genomics, okay? Because this stock right now, the market cap is 103.3 billion US dollars. That is the market cap of Intuitive Surgical. But the thing is, if you were able to, invest in this stock, this Intuitive Surgical right here, if you were able to invest in this company when it was trading, right now the stock is 872 US dollars, guys. If you were able to find this kind of stock, when it was trading, let's say even 200 US dollars, I mean, just 200 US dollars, you're gonna make a lot of profit, okay? So okay, so I have 4 viewers. I need to share this live stream, but I'm going to wait. It's not profitable for me it's more or less going to waste my time if I talk to only 4 viewers. Okay, so let's hopefully wait and see if we can have at least more than 10 viewers so that I can continue. In the meantime, I'm just going to be playing with the price action of Bionano Genomics and showing you guys, what I would be doing if I was to day trade it right now. So let's take a look at the price action of Bionano Genomics. I have to wait till I have more than 10 viewers to continue, guys. I need to wait till more than 10 viewers to continue. I mean, it doesn't make any sense to make a live stream just for 4 viewers because, I'm paying for power, okay? And also the internet is running. This is what is happening presently with Bionano Genomics. This is what is happening presently. Don't forget, guys, I told you guys about this line right here. Let me draw it once again. I told you guys about that line. I mean, what is happening? I always tell you guys to keep an open mind. Anything can happen anytime, and you want to be prepared. Okay, you want to be ready. You want to be always ready for whatever is coming. I drew this line. You can easily go to my previous video. I showed you guys this line right here. That there is a possibility that the price is going to come down and touch that line, and then we will bounce because historically you can see even when the stock was around this 4.30 US dollars, in 13th of last month, we started from that line, that support line, and then we have been bouncing on this line, and that's what is happening right now. So there is a possibility that we are going to close somewhere above this line. We didn't touch it so far. We didn't touch it yet. This is the 200 daily moving average on 200 hourly or hourly, or how do you call it, moving average. But because this chart is hourly candles, this is the hourlies. Can you even say hourlies? Okay, just forget it. These are the hourly candles. Okay, so this moving average is from the hourly candlestick. So I think there's still a possibility that we are going to touch this line. In case you want to add to your position, you can easily just wait till the price gets to this line. If not, there is a chance that the price is going to consolidate around this level and come back to set a double bottom right here. 7.37 US dollars was a great opportunity to add to your position, but you guys know that I am completely broke. I am not adding to my bngo position right now. So this is what is happening, guys. This is what is happening. We need to get above this resistance right here. We need to get above this line. So once we get above this line, then we can finally go back to retest this 9.11 US dollars. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Hopefully we are going to have some more viewers, then I can continue to show you guys what I want to show you in this live stream. I think auspicious descent is also online right now. Probably is online right now. That's why most of my viewers for sure are also watching his video right now. Let me see bngo. Yeah, he's online right now. He has about 203 watchers right now. 203, and only God knows what he's talking about. So probably that's where most of you guys are right now. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till we have more than 10 viewers. I want to share amazing news with you guys. Well, I'm not gonna share it if I have just 7 viewers. I'm not gonna share it if I have 7 viewers. I want to share something amazing with you guys. Something amazing with you guys. What's going on, guys? Let me just put a music. Let me find a music. bngo 5 minutes chart. This is what is going on the 5 minutes chart. bngo. If you are watching me right now, please like. I can see somebody already disliked this video. Some hater for sure. Some enemy of progress. Enemy of progress. Only an enemy of progress goes on somebody's live stream only to dislike it. So bngo. This is what is going on right now, guys, with Bionano Genomics. I mean, at one point it was down like 4 point something percent. So it has retraced a little bit. We opened around this level today, around this 7.97 US dollars, guys, only to go down to 7.37 US dollars. So this is the 5 minute candlesticks. I'm trying to play a music. Music. I want to share something with you guys in this live stream, but I have to wait. If I cannot get, I'm going to wait till the next 10, 20 minutes. If I cannot get at least, more than 10 viewers, then we have to move on. But of course, I'm still going to share this live stream because I haven't shared it with my viewers. I just posted a breaking news. So you guys might want to, first of all, go and check out the breaking news that I just posted, because I think it's something that is super interesting and something you might want to oh I'm trying to see if I can find a nice music, over 20 minutes, over 20 minutes 4 months ago. What music is this? Bionano Genomics, 7.61 US dollars right now. 7.61 US dollars right now. I mean, why is it not moving at all, guys? Is this even normal? I have to refresh it. Why is it not moving? Okay, so it's good. I don't know why it's not moving. It's not moving at all. Just a second, guys. I'm gonna be back in a minute. So, so. Okay, I'm back. I want to plug in the speaker. Guys, I'm gonna continue if I have more than 10 viewers, okay? I don't like this line. I don't like this. It's too thick. I need to reduce it. I need to reduce it a little bit. So. Bingo. Bingo. Oh, FDA approval, guys. I just made a video today talking about the FDA approval. Bionano Genomics has brought in a chief business officer that I believe is going to help us to get the Sapphire application to be FDA approved. Okay. You can easily see the video on my channel, but how soon do I see the FDA approval? That is something I'm not really, I can't really predict how soon we can see FDA approval. But if I want to guess, I think my guess is towards the end of this year. Let me say the fourth quarter of this year or the first quarter of next year. Okay, the fourth one of this year, 2021, fourth quarter. I'm talking about, on November, October, November, December, and then January, February, March 2022. So guys, heads up, any moment. I believe that is why they bring in that guy, that chief business officer, because you can easily see his track record. I mean, that guy, I updated my bngo Bible. Let me quickly show you. That's a wonderful question. I updated my bngo Bible, and I also shared it. You guys can easily see him right here, chief business officer Richard Shippey, chief business officer. So I mean, he was a senior director at Illumina, prenatal testing, senior director of product marketing at Affimectris, and he helped Affimectris, to get FDA clearance, okay, with the cytoscan system. This more or less a karyotyping device. You guys know karyotyping, so this more or less a karyotyping device, and he helped Affimectris to get FDA clearance. And Affimectris is right now under Thermo Fisher. It has been acquired by Thermo Fisher. And so that's why I believe they brought in Richard Shippey. FDA approval, guys. Don't sleep off. I think the first quarter of next year. Beautiful question, Lopez. Beautiful question. I think the first quarter of 2022, FDA approval is coming in, guys. Don't sleep off. I mean, you want to be on board before FDA approval. I mean, this Bionano Genomics we're talking about. And you guys know we are just at the beginning of this. That is FDA approval, guys. FDA approval. If you have any question, just drop it. I'm super ready. In the meantime, I'm just going to be I'll keep playing with this chart right here. I'll keep playing with this chart. Yeah, I mean, we all want to be in. That is the best way to make profit from any investment. You just have to be in before any huge news. Right now, they have about 107 Sapphire devices installed, according to their report from the first quarter of this year. And I mean, the second quarter, I already made a video talking about 6 devices that I was able to discover. And Bionano Genomics is, they are targeting. Where's my pen? They are targeting 150 devices for 2021, right? 150 devices. That's what the CEO said they are targeting. And right now, for the first quarter, they have managed to install about 107 devices, according to their report from the first quarter earnings. So what do we have? We have about 43 devices left, okay, to be installed in this year. And this is June. So I believe if we have to, let's say we divide these 43 devices, for the rest of the year, let's say we divide the 43 by 3, because we haven't. So that gives us about 14 devices per quarter. 14 devices in the second quarter, 14 devices in the third quarter, 14 Sapphire devices, right? And in the fourth quarter, 14 Sapphire devices installed. Okay, so that gives us about 14 devices that they have to install every quarter. Now, if I was able to discover about 6 devices installed already for the in the second quarter, That means we have what, about 8 devices left that they have to install. They must have installed somehow in the second quarter that we don't know about. So guys, in the during the earning report of let me reduce this music a little bit. So the earning report, the second quarter earning report, the second quarter earning report, I expect Bionano Genomics to announce that they have managed to install 14 Sapphire devices. Because, in the first quarter, they installed 11 devices in the first quarter, okay? They installed 11 devices. As you guys know, in 2020, till the fourth quarter of 2020, Bionano Genomics managed to install just 96, I believe 96 96 devices. 96 devices in 2020. So we had about 96 Sapphire devices running, bringing us money in 2000 up to 2020 December 31st. So in the fourth quarter of this year, they managed to install about 11 devices, sorry. So that brought us to 107. So if they were able to install 11 devices in the first quarter, and you guys should know that first quarter is mostly, all about, they don't spend a lot of money in first quarter. Right? They didn't spend a lot of money on marketing and sales and marketing. So I think in the second quarter, Bionano Genomics, they spent more money. We are more or less still in the second quarter. We have 2 weeks left for this second quarter to be over. So I think they spent more money in this quarter, and I think they must have installed about 14 devices so far in this quarter. Yeah, and USA is reopening. US is reopening. So we all know that it affected their business in the in last year, first and second quarter. This lockdown affected their businesses, and they couldn't, install their Sapphire devices. So now that we are seeing, economies around the world reopening, not only in America, in Asia, in Europe, we see economy reopening. So it means they can go ahead and try to install as many devices as possible. Okay, so this is the chart that I am watching, guys. This chart right here is what I am watching. There was a breakout on yesterday. There was a breakout, but right now this breakout has been, this more or less a small breakout happened yesterday. It's a small one happened yesterday. This one right here, you can see the consolidation, and then bam, we broke out. But right now, because that's why I don't follow, all these 1 hour candlestick, 30-minute candlestick. It's more or less noises. It's, going to distract you. Of course, it's always good to open a position. You can easily see the price, the 30-minute price, for example. It's good for opening, adding to your position. Or if you are a day trader, it helps to, day trade. But if you're a long-term investor, you don't have any business with the 30-minute candlestick. So the reason why I'm using it right now is just to show you guys what is going on. Yeah, US economy is reopening little by little, and I expect Bionano Genomics in the second quarter, guys. This is a wonderful thing, Lopez. This is very good, because I have never made a video about it. I think I'm going to make an entire video talking about what I expect them to, everything I just shared with you guys. I have about 7 viewers right now, so this is wonderful. I'm going to make an entire video talking about how many Sapphire devices I am expecting Bionano Genomics to install in second quarter. How many Sapphire devices I expect them to, to announce during the earnings report. So I'm very lucky that I have just 6 viewers right now. Once I make the video, my video is going to get more than 500 views. So yeah. So this is a nice topic. Sapphire installed in Q2. This is a very nice topic to make an entire video on. Thank you, Lopez. Beautiful question. If you have any other question, please drop it. I love being inspired. This is a very nice question. Very nice question. So this is what is happening right now with the price action. I wanted to share a lot of things with you guys in this video, but since I don't have enough viewers, I have about 6 of you guys right now watching this. I'm just gonna hold on, and maybe I'm going to wait 30 more minutes If still no, if I don't have enough viewers, then I will just make a video about it and share it with you guys. Okay. Right now, Auspicious is live talking about all those short squeeze and stuff. So talking about short squeeze, gamma squeeze, and so on and so forth. And most bngo traders, or I should just say traders, they are always super pumped about hearing about all those short squeeze and stuff. So I mean, this is what is happening with the stock price right now. You guys can easily see there's nothing dramatic going on. So, what was I doing? EVFM, guys, on my second channel, I talk about EVFM. Okay, EVFM is another stock I talk about on my second channel. You guys can see where it is right now. This is where it was, $5.5 US. Right now, it's trading at 1.19 US. So, I mean, I'm still gonna make another video about this EVFM on my second channel today, talking about, there are a lot of things to talk about this company as well. And this company, apart from some, negative things, this company is also in a very good position. Okay, this company is in a very, very good position. And in this video, I wanted to talk about ISRG. And you guys can see ISRG has been going nowhere but up. It's been going up since last year. This is during the lockdown. It went down, and then since then it has been. Let's even take a look at how much it was then. 300. It went as low as this level, 300 and something US dollars, 361 US dollars last year March, and right now it's trading at 870. At one point for sure, this stock used to trade at almost as cheap as Bionano Genomics, and if you were invested in that company at that level, you would be in huge profit right now. That company stock price makes my 100 US dollars price target of Bionano Genomics to look like I am super conservative. Makes me feel like I am too conservative about Bionano Genomics. What's up, Edicino? Let me even take a look at Lineaging. Thank you so much for bringing up this Lineaging, because there is something I wanted to talk about. Lineaging. I need to open a new page. Let's open a new page and talk about Lineaging. Lineaging. There is something I wanted to talk about, share with you guys. So this one is from June 14th. This from yesterday. And guys, I don't know if you guys are also seeing, PacBio advert. Everywhere I go, I see their advert. I see their edits. Everywhere I go, they are promoted to it. If I go on Facebook, I see them. If I go on what is it called? Instagram, I see PacBio adverts everywhere. So this is a tweet from Lineaging. Don't miss the Lineaging webinar. Only 1 week left to register. So this right here, guys, this is a good catalyst. Okay, June 21st, 8 a.m. PST. There is going to be, this laboratory directors, Dr. Colin Belankia and Moises Serrano present their real world experience using NX Clinical on Monday. This is going to be on Monday. Next week, Monday. Real world experience is utilizing NX Clinical for CNV detection. I don't know what this is, but somehow this is connected to Lineaging. NX Clinical. I don't know what this is, but somehow let's check it out. Somehow it's connected to Lineaging. Of course, Bionano Genomics, this Bionano Genomics company. Real world experience utilizing NX Clinical for CNV detection using standard of care testing in postnatal specimens. Okay. Postnatal. This is about postnatal. As utilize the NX Clinical software for the interpretation of copy number variations in postnatal population. Join us as we describe our experience in utilizing this platform marginally from multiple clinical available platforms to improve clinical workflow. Two of Lineaging's lab directors will describe their real-world experience of utilizing variant database. Guys, I have no idea what this is all about. I have to go and spend some time reading about what is going on with Lineaging. Lineaging is a Bionano Genomics company, okay, but this is something that this looks to me like something different from what I expect Lineaging to be all about. This looks like something completely different. Postnatal specimens. So that's I think that's where we're going to leave lineaging. That's where we leave it at. That's where we leave it at. That's something completely different. Idisino. Two companies in one. Yeah, I mean, two companies, Bionano Genomics, lineaging, performing miracles, performing wonders. Two big company in one. We more or less have two CEOs. We have Dr. Alka Shaube and we have Dr. Eric Homlin, directing Bionano Genomics, and we have Dr. Alka directing lineaging. So more or less we have two CEOs, okay, two experienced CEOs, helping us to drive this company to profitability. Bionano Genomics right now, you guys can see this is my support line, so I wouldn't be surprised to see the price at this level. I shared a breaking news. You might want to go and see it to know what is going on with the market right now. There is a breaking news I shared about 40 minutes ago. So you may want to go and check it out so that you can understand what is presently going on with the stock market, okay? Because not only Bionano Genomics is down, even other stocks are down as well. Let me look at Tesla, for example. Tesla has been going down since it's opened today. Tesla opened around this level, 615 US dollars, and right now it's trading at 605. But if you are long term, there is absolutely almost nothing to worry about if you are long term invested in Tesla. So yeah, Bionano Genomics. Now let's talk about profitability. That is another video. Since I have just 6 viewers, that is another video that I want to talk about profitability. That's another video I'm still going to make. Profitability, because you have to be invested in a company. Now Bionano Genomics is not profitable. For the first quarter of this year, they reported about 3.2 million US dollars in total revenue. So I mean, this is a company that I expect to be reporting hundreds of millions of US dollars in the next 3-4 years. In the next 4 years, let's say 2024. So right now they are just reporting about 3.2 million US dollars. That's why I always make video about them every day, to keep a tab on them, to know what they are doing, to see if there is any loophole. Okay, if there is anything negative about Bionano Genomics, believe me, I'll be the first person to share it with you guys so that you can get the hell out of your position. So profitability, I'm going to talk about profitability, and now that I have about 6 viewers, it's a good time to talk about it. Of course, I'm going to make another video entirely about it, so this is a bonus video for you guys. So let's take a look at it. Since the price is more or less not yet on my support, I think we can leave it for now and go to my Bionano Genomics due diligence document. Due diligence document, financials, total addressable market, financials. You guys can see in the first quarter of this year, they reported about 3.2 million US dollars in revenue. I'm going to increase this screen size so that you guys can see it clearly. Okay, this is good. 150 is good. 150 is good. So they reported about 3.2 million US dollars in total revenue for the first quarter. Or maybe I should just make it, let me see if, okay, 200. Oh, 200 is even better. 200 is better. So profitability, my 9 years forecast of Bionano Genomics, guys, this is where we are. 2021, this is where we are. Okay, I mean, in 2021, I mean, according to my estimate, according to my model, I expect Bionano Genomics to report 20 million US dollars this year alone. How are they going to get to 20 million US dollars if in 2020 they reported just 8.4 million US dollars? That is a very good question that I keep asking myself every day. And according to my model, I expect bngo to be profitable right here, 2023. I expect them to be profitable, because if you go to their total expenses, you can see how much they need to run their business per year. Where is it even? Total expensive. I'm supposed to have my total expensive. So total expenses. I say expensive. Total expenses. I expect them to. Let's go to this quarter. Revenue, expenses, interest, blah blah blah. Liability. They spent about four. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, loss from operation. This is total operating expenses for the first quarter. They spent about 12.2 million US dollars. So that means in the second quarter, I expect Bionano Genomics to spend more money in this quarter, and there is a possibility that they are going to spend about more than 15 million US dollars in the second quarter of 2021, guys. You have to keep your heads up, okay? There is a possibility they are going to spend about over 15 million US dollars in this second quarter. But because if you take a look at what has been going on, first of all, they need to install at least they have to install 43 more sapphires before the end of this year. So it means for the second quarter, they must install about 14 sapphires. For the third quarter, they have to install about 14 sapphires. In the fourth quarter, they need to install about 14 sapphires. Okay, that gives us a total of 43 sapphires installed remaining for the for 2021. And also, they want to install about 150 sapphires in 2021. So right now they have managed to install 107 sapphires so far. We have them installed and running right now. So we have 43 left. Now, if they want to install 14 sapphires, if in the first quarter they were able to install just 11 sapphires in the first quarter. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? The first quarter. So they were able to install just 11 sapphires. 11 right here, 11 sapphires shipped, or so they need to install 14 sapphires. So now I am expecting their total revenue, expenses, total operating expenses to increase, 15 million US dollars. That's what I'm expecting them to, spend in the second quarter of this year, 15 million US dollars. If they were able to spend about in the first quarter, they were able to spend 12.2 million US dollars minimum. I expect them to spend, if not, guys, there is a possibility they are going to spend, closer to 20 million US dollars. There is a very good chance Bionano Genomics is going to spend a lot of money in the second quarter, but hopefully I'm going to be wrong. Hopefully they will spend less than 12.2. If Bionano Genomics managed to spend less than 12.2 million US dollars in this second quarter, that will be a super bullish catalyst, guys. That will be very bullish for the stock. So profitability. Bionano Genomics. Just a second, guys. Just a second. I'm gonna be back. So profitability. 280. Two eighty. 44. 280. They have to install about 280. 54. 54. Oh boy. That's 5 times. It's unbelievable. 5x. Ten x. BNGO. Bingo. Bingo. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Gold, gold. Gold is going down, guys. Look at that. Gold is going down. Gold. Bitcoin. Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Bitcoin. Okay. AMC, 100 US dollars, guys. AMC, AMC, 100 US dollars. That's going to be crazy. If that really happens. So, boy, um, Lumina, Lumina, nice. Look at Illumina. Look at Illumina. Whoa. This is nice. Let's see back view. Back view. Steve, what's up, Steve? Put on a damn shirt. I mean, it's my body, man. You can't really see my body, you can just see my neck. Put on a damn shirt. Yeah, I think we have to wait till tomorrow. Till we have to see what the Fed is going to say about all this inflation. 10 years yield. We have to see what's going on. Then I think that's why the stock price is right now more or less going down. Not only Bionano Genomics, we have several stocks right now that are all also getting hammered. They are getting hammered. So I'm just basically checking out other what's going on in the entire market. You know. Put on a damn shirt. It's super hot. What do you expect me to do? It's freaking hot right now, guys. ADMP. Yeah, we will see. We will see. Hmm. Oh my God, Steve. If you want me to take it serious, put on a damn shirt. Uh, you are super funny, my friend. Nvidia. Nvidia. Oh la la. Look at Nvidia, guys. Look at Nvidia. Woo! 717 US dollars right now. 717 US dollars. Nvidia is on fire. Holy shit. Holy moly. Nvidia is on fire. What in God's name is pumping this stock? 717 US dollars. This is all-time high, guys. All-time high. This stock used to be, below 200 US dollars. Nvidia used to be below 200 US dollars. Back in 2019, Nvidia was trading around this level, 123 US dollars at the bottom. Let's just say 150 US dollars. Right now, the stock is trading at 717 US dollars. I remember clearly buying this deep, but I sold all my positions at this level, just a little bit investment. Look at that. Whoa. Meanwhile, AMD is not even doing anything. AMD is not doing anything. In my opinion, AMD is super, super undervalued in my opinion right now. AMD is undervalued right now in my opinion, guys. This, of course, is not, financial advice. Look at AMD. Nvidia right now, 717 US dollars. AMD is more or less not even, it's not moving at all since the beginning of the year. Since last year, August, AMD has been, more or less consolidating at the same level, at the same crazy level. If if it managed to break out of this channel, we will never see AMD below 100 US dollars again. Of course, except if something bad happens to the company. So I'm watching AMD super close, guys. AMD. Yeah, Lopez, look at that. Nvidia, absolutely insane. 717 US dollars. Wow. Are you kidding me? Whoa. Holy moly. Just imagine this is Bionano Genomics, going from this. Let's say Bionano Genomics is finally, let's say this is $5 US, we just keep going higher and higher and higher. And the thing is, let me reduce this music. The thing is, when this stock was, in March 2020, during the lockdown, when this stock came down below 200 US dollars, paper hands for sure, they closed all their position and chickened out. Okay. And right now, you guys can see it, recovered everything 100%. And what happened? It keeps going higher and higher. And then right here, there is another dip right here. And of course, you would think this is a bad news. You would close all your position. If it was at 611 US dollars, and what happened? It's recovered everything again, and again another dip, and then all-time high. Absolutely insane. This is crazy. Nvidia, I love this kind of progressive growth. Anytime it dips, what you just have to do is add to your position, bam. Dip, add to your position, bam. Now let's take a look at Intel, because I used to follow all this Intel. I used to follow all of them super close. Look at Intel. AMD is the person. AMD is the company that's killed Intel, in my opinion. AMD killed Intel. And the funny thing is, the first AMD processor, I believe, they copied Intel. That was 1970 something or 1980 something. AMD started their processor. I believe they copied Intel. You can find it on the internet. So look at that. Intel has more or less not been doing anything. They have not been, innovating. Nothing new from, I mean, no huge innovation from Intel. Talking about the graphic processors, you can see they have more or less not been doing anything for years. Since 2018, Intel has been more or less consolidating since 2018. Meanwhile, AMD, because I have been following AMD for years now, I used to trade AMD way below this level at $9 in 2018. This was me right here in 2018 trading AMD. My broker cannot provide more details because this is the daily candlestick. So this is me right here trading AMD in 2018. But guess what, guys? I mean, in 2018, I should be loading my ship of AMD. I shouldn't be day trading AMD at all in 2018. So those people that are, day trading Bionano Genomics right now, they're gonna come back and cry. Look at that, AMD. All right, so I didn't share this live stream. Now that's my video for sure, because I posted a video. That's why I didn't share this live stream. So let me make a post on all my social media platform and let my subscribers know that I am live, so that we can finally get some viewers, and we can talk about today's business, because right now it's past 6, and I want to I'm not gonna be online for the rest of the day. So let me go to Twitter and share this live stream so that we can have more participants. Okay, let me share it. I posted a video a few minutes, about 1 hour ago, I believe. So just give me a second. I'm going to share this. I am going to share this on Twitter and invite my boys to come over. Come join Dayo. Come and join me. What's going on, investors? Welcome to Frunkla Investment. So I'm gonna wait like 10 more minutes till we have at least 10 viewers, then I can continue. I have an amazing news I want to share with you guys in this video. I want to talk about some stocks that I want to give you guys more reason why you should hold on to your Bionano Genomics. Okay, I know the title of this video says 3 stocks to buy to make you rich in 2021, but I want to share some information. I want to compare those stocks with Bionano Genomics and let you guys know that if Bionano Genomics is the only company that you are super bullish about, it is a beautiful, it's a wonderful idea, guys. I mean, there is absolutely no reason why you should sell your Bionano Genomics stocks, your shares of bngo, in my opinion. So I'm going to be sharing a lot of information with you guys in this live stream. I have about 1 hour to be on live. My best past investment, of course, Tesla. It has always been Tesla all the way. Tesla is a beast. So, Tesla is a beast. Tesla is a beast. I've been following Tesla since Tesla was way below 200 US dollars, and I more or less trade Tesla because I use leverage with Tesla. So Tesla is more or less a trade, a day trading to me, not an investment. But I have made tons of profits trading Tesla. Okay, so it's Tesla. It's Tesla. Right now, I am completely, apart from Tesla, I am crazy about Bionano Genomics and of course about EVFM. EVFM right here, guys. EVFM right now, 1.20 US dollars. EVFM. So if you are interested in EVFM, that's what I talk about on my second channel. What's going on, investors? Please introduce yourself as you join us. So yeah. I'm trying to share my I want to share this video with all my subscribers so that they can join us and we can finally continue. Okay, so that we can continue. Just a second, I'm going to share it with other subscribers because it's me. It seems most of you guys are sleeping right now. Bionano Genomics, Bionano Genomics. If you guys haven't seen my breaking news video, please go and check it out. So Moderna and RS surgical, intuitive surgical. All right. Yeah. Tesla is it's a beast. Tesla is a beast. I made tons of profit from Tesla. I mean, I've been trading Tesla since it was pre-split, 178 US dollars, and of course, I have some investment in Neo. Okay, just little, not really a lot of money. Less than 1,000 US dollars. But I have been following Neo since Neo was also trading at 3 US dollars, 3 US dollars right here, 2020, 2019. Look at that, 1.5 US dollars. This is when, and the funny thing is, I also follow Neo. I remember this breakout right here. I remember it clearly. I'm gonna reduce this volume a little bit. I remember this breakout right here. I remember it clearly, when Neo broke out. This right here, 3 US dollars level, 4 US dollars level. That's when I went crazy into Neo and I closed all my positions around this level. 2025. This when I closed all my position around this level, 22 US dollars, 27, from 22 US dollars to 27 US dollars. That's when I closed all my positions from Neo. I was riding Neo from this level in 2020, and from 2019 2020 I was riding Neo till this 27 US dollars level. And right now I load my ship. I bought a lot of Neo again from this level, but it's not up to 1,000 years. I think it's around 800 US dollars or so. So right now I am just riding Neo. I'm riding Neo right now. Neo is also a very good company. Yeah, if you believe in the company, it is always good to just hold on to your positions. So I believe in Neo also, but not as much as Tesla. So I mean, most of my investment right now is, in Bionano Genomics. I have some. I just day trade Tesla. I have a couple of thousand in Tesla. Day trading Tesla. Because I use leverage. That's why I call it day trading. Normally, it's not like I'm closing it and opening it every day because I use leverage and I have to pay overnight fee. That's why I call it day trading. So I have a couple of Tesla shares. So whenever it goes up, I just have to take profit and then or cut reduce my positions, and whenever it comes down I add to my position. For example, right here I have some position in Tesla from 555 years dollars around this level 500. I opened some positions in Tesla around this level. I took some profit off the table around here, and I added to my position again around this level. So I'm just riding my position right now. I haven't done anything so far with Tesla in 2 weeks, so I'm just watching Tesla. I'm just watching it to see what's going on with Tesla. NIO has been going up crazily for almost 2 weeks now. Since middle of last month, NIO has been going only up and up and up. So NIO, I think NIO, there was a perfect time. This was a perfect time to put some money in NIO, and yeah, true believers for sure they added to their position in NIO. TRCH. Let me take a look at TRCH. TRCH. I don't. Oh, my broker they don't have it. TRC. I don't know that company. I'm going to check Yahoo Finance. Let us use this one. TRCH. Touch. Oh my. What's Torchlight Energy Resources Inc. Okay. Market cap 847 million on volume. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. This stock is up over 60% right now. My broker, unfortunately, they don't offer this stock on my broker. Is just eToro is crazy, guys. I mean, whenever something is going crazy, you will never see eToro offering it. They only offer it whenever the pump is over. Look at that. That is crazy. Whoa. Look at that. Oh my, holy shit. Holy moly. Look at that massive rally. A perfect breakout right here, guys. That is a perfect breakout. Right now, this is more or less what Bionano Genomics is doing right now, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Let's assume this was our all-time high in Bionano Genomics. You guys can easily see right now we are more or less somewhere around here. Looks like somewhere around here with Bionano Genomics right now. So maybe in the next 2-3 months, in the next 2-3 weeks, we are going to see some consolidation, and then finally we will get another breakout. Now look at this. When this candle was green, red, green, red, if you were invested in TRCH, you would be saying, I need to put you on the screen, TRCH. So if you were invested in this company, you would be like, why is it not going up? Why is it not going parabolic? And look what just happened. Bam! Holy moly. Bad form. That's a nice one. Yeah, I try to open. I think I have an account on Trading 212. I definitely need to check it out, guys. I mean, I have most of my money locked up in eToro, spread out in different accounts. So I need to diversify my money away from eToro for sure. I mean, eToro is just crazy. June 24th, dividend, June 24th. So I'm going to check out Coco Stewart. I'm going to check out Coco Stewart, $GOED. But before I check it out, I quickly want to see why this stock is going crazy today. I want to see why this stock is going crazy today. 70%, guys. Whoa. Are you bad form? Are you buying this right now? Are you riding this right now? Are you also profiting from this massive rally? 70%. Now I can see it is one of the trending tickers on Yahoo Finance, the second trending ticker. Apart from this on Dunkin, what is it? This even called Dunkin something? DraftKings. Apart from DraftKings, it is down. That one is down. So TRCH 70% today. Now this is why YMC and Torchlight Energy stock pop today, but PepsiCo, Reframe Your Future. Okay, special dividend of new Series A preferred. That's why I believe the stock is going crazy today. They declared special dividend of new Series A. Of course, it's an oil and gas, exploration company. Especially Venezuela, blah 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 blah. Common stock. Oh my god, that is crazy. Whoa. Okay, let me check out GOED. 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 Hmm. GOED. GO. Goideka Inc. Right now, the market cap is 300. Is it this one? Is it this one? Let me know. GOED. Coco Stewart. Is it this one? GOED with a market cap of 312 million US dollars. Right now, the stock is trading at 3 US dollars. Presently down, just like most of the growth stocks, down 4.1%. And let's take a look at the marks. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, so it's this one. So let's take a look at what is going on with GOED. 8 days ago, pa 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 pa. Proposal of stock offering. They made a stock offering. So I'm trying to figure out what this company is all about. Okay, I'm trying to figure it out. Look at that! Holy moly! Why? Look at this massive, two massive, cap up that you know correct 100%. On this day, on 27th, last year, October 27th, this stock popped up around this level, around 16 US dollars level, and closed the gap completely. If you were invested in this company right there and the stock pop up and you didn't take profits, for sure you'll be super pissed. So right now we saw another massive cap up on 27th last month, all the way from 4 US dollars to 16.8 US dollars. This is some super volatile stock, some super risky stock. I mean, absolutely crazy. No way I'm gonna put my money in this company. I mean, if I'm going to invest in this company, but first of all, before I make up my decision and before I talk some negative thing about this company, I need to first of all see what they are into, because I don't seems to be able to find any information. Let's take a look at what they are into. I want to see what they are into. Okay, so this more or less a showroom furnituring kitchen and laundry appliances along with mattresses and home for. So this more or less like IKEA, this kind of company. Okay, so that's what they are into. Thousands of products from hundreds of appliances, furniture, lighting, and so on. So I mean, this to me is not. I'm not gonna go near this stock, guys. I'm not gonna go near this stock. This is not my kind of stock. It's an e-commerce. Yeah, I can see already it's an e-commerce company and it's recovering fast. Be getting shorted into oblivion. It's surely being shorted massively. I mean, I would have to go deep into the fundamental analysis, see how many. Maybe we should just take a look at the. Let me quickly take a look at let's take a look at the short rate. Okay. Not Yahoo Finance, Fintelo. Let's take a look at how short sellers have been hammering that stock massively. Maybe there's going to be a short squeeze. Who knows? Um. Uh. 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 So that is GOED. 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 Let's take a look at what is going on with GOED. Let's take a look at what is going on with GOED. Institutional ownership, shares outstanding, 21. Okay, so the short volume ratio is 23%. Short volume is 3.5 million. Right now, market volume is 15 million and 23.6%. I mean, that is a lot. That's a lot, but it's not really massive like that. If we want to compare that short volume to AMC, for example, AMC, let's take a look at the AMC short volume. Short interest. Look at that. AMC. AMC short borrow fee rate 2.1 right now. 2.1. AMC short volume ratio 22. So it's more or less the same thing with AMC. They need to stop all these short sellers, guys. I mean, short volume ratio 23%. Short volume. Look at the short volume of AMC 69 million. 69. The market volume is 301 million right now. Short volume 69. GME. But still, I mean, that is not the kind of company that I don't know if the Wall Street bet are going to pick it up. I don't know if they are going to pick it up, but from what I'm seeing so far, because this is my first time of learning about that company, but it's what taking a note on. It's what noticing and okay, short interest. Why is there no information about GME? Look at that, guys. No information about GME on Fintel. Zero information. This is not normal. Zero information about DME on Fintel. Is that even normal? Guys, is this normal? Nothing. No information about GameStop. Okay, this is GME institutional ownership. This is GME. GME Resources Limited. Who is talking about GME Resources Limited? I'm talking about GameStop. There's not even which company is GME Resources Limited. God. All right, guys. So not to divert too much. Now I have about 8 viewers. I want to share something with you guys, but unfortunately, I don't have enough viewers to talk about what I want to share with you guys. So I think I'm just gonna stay online 10 more minutes, and then I'm going to end this live stream. I'll just make a video about it and let you guys know in a video, because whenever I make a video, it gets more viewership, instead of me just talking about it in this live stream. So if we manage to get above 10 viewers, 15 viewers, then I can share this information with you guys. Okay. Bionano Genomics. EVFM. BNGO. I'm waiting for BNGO. I'm waiting for BNGO to come to this level, guys. I'm waiting for it to come to this level. This support right here. That's why I'm waiting for BNGO. If BNGO comes to this support level, I'm going to add to my position. If Bionano Genomics comes right here, I will add to my position. Sheep. Let's check out sheep. Sheepy, just like our new business officer. Synergy Maritime. Sideways. I think the reason why sheep is trading sideways is more or less, it has to do with the lockdown, in my opinion. They locked. I remember this massive rally in February, January to February. I made little profit from this rally, and you guys can easily see it has been correcting ever since then. Sheep. It's presently trying to break out of this trend. I mean, it's worth paying attention to. If we manage to break out of this channel right here, then perhaps we are going to see some decent profits. So if you open some position around this level, for example, I think this stock can easily go to maximum 1.5 US dollars, in my opinion, easily. If we manage to break this resistance, you have to expect it to first of all come back to this level, this 1.28 US dollars level, then finally 1.42 US dollars. But we may see a spark. Okay, we may see a little spike. Towards 1.5 US dollars, and if we see a spike, I mean, I would take profit. This is cheap. Yeah, bngo is also, my main portfolio, but I like just going around and looking what is going on. And of course, I day trade Tesla as well, because Tesla is a money making machine. Tesla is a money making machine, and you can make a lot of profit from Tesla. Okay, I've been making tons of profit from Tesla, day trading Tesla, buying at this 600 and this $550 level, for example. Let me show you guys the 4-hour chart. Let me show you guys how to make money from Tesla. Look at that. So whenever Tesla comes around this level, people just chicken out, they sell their position. But I was riding this, and right now I am loaded with my Tesla position. So I'm just waiting for that at least $665 level to take some profits off the table again. I use leverage with Tesla, and Tesla has been, super, super kind to me. Tesla has been super kind to me. So this is I have 11 viewers. Let's see if we can get above 15 viewers. Then I can finally share some beautiful news with you guys. If I get above 15 viewers, I will share some news with you guys. Okay, 15 viewers, 15 viewers, 15, 15, 15. So we can talk about profitability of Bionano Genomics. I already spoke about, the Sapphire FDA approval. I already spoke about it. I'm going to talk about the installation of course. I'm going to talk about how many Sapphire devices you guys should be expecting Bionano Genomics to report on during the second quarter of 2021 earnings. And of course, I'm going to be telling you guys how many Sapphire devices we need to install, next year if we want to be profitable in 2023. How many Sapphire devices we need to install. Any labs in Germany using Bionano? Of course, there are a lot of laboratories in Germany using Bionano Genomics. When do you think we will see bngo $100? When bngo is profitable, Bionano Genomics should easily get to $100, guys. I mean, bngo needs to be profitable, and to be profitable, they need to install some Sapphire devices. Okay, I mean, we are talking about over 200 Sapphire devices must be installed per annum. If they want to be profitable, they have to install more than 250 Sapphire devices. How they are going to do that? I think that is why they keep employing, they keep appointing experts, people like Shippy, for example, the chief business officer. People like what's the name of the other guy, Jason, for example, the chief commercial officer. That's why they keep bringing all these guys that know how to make sales. And of course, Shippy is also somebody that is able to get Sapphire to be approved by the FDA. I believe that is why Bionano Genomics is going aggressive. They are recruiting, guys that know how the genomic industry works. That's what they have been doing so far. So if we are going to be profitable, Coco Stewart, if we want to be profitable, we need to install Sapphire devices, more than 250 Sapphire devices per year to be profitable. Okay, so now we have about 13 viewers. I am going to wait. I need about 7 viewers more, guys. We need 7. And so any labs in Germany using Sapphire device? Let me quickly show you a laboratory that is using Sapphire device. What is the name of this laboratory once again? Of course, Bionano Genomics also, they already spoke about some laboratories in Germany. I need to close all these documents. I have to close all this. They are just eating my space. So let me use this one. Google Sapphire in Germany. I used to save that German acquisition of blah blah blah. So this is an example. This one is from September 2020. You guys can easily see German accreditation of laboratory developed tests on Bionano Sapphire system accelerate utilization in clinical laboratory. So this right here, MVZ Martins Red, okay, is a leading diagnostic service provider in Germany, and they received accreditation for use of Bionano digital cytogenetic platform. So let's check out MVZ Martins Reed in Germany. This right here, you guys can see this laboratory. They are using the Sapphire devices, and I already made a video about it. You can see human genetic. oncology, pathology, laboratory medicine, microbiology, integrate diagnostics, so optical genome mapping. There is this in German, okay? This is in German, but I'm in Germany, I can read German, so I think I optical. Let's see if we can find something. Optical genome mapping. Bionano. Okay, nothing. Nothing. Laboratoriums, medicine. What is this? Not this one. I'm going to switch. Of course, there is English language, but first of all, I want to. Okay, diagnostics. Let's take a look at diagnostics. Oh la 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 la. But I made a video talking about what laboratory medicine, microbiology, transfusion, genetische Beratungs, human genetic. Oh, Papa, I already made a video about this. What is even their name? Centrum for Human Genetic and Laboratoriums Diagnostic, MVZ. That's their name. So they are not only using Bionano Genomics, they are also using some sequencing technology platform. I think chromosomal analysis, microarray. So this is prenatal diagnostic, prenatal test right here, microarray test right here, and Papa, I want to see next generation sequencing. You guys can see next generation sequencing. So they are not only using not only optical genome mapping. You can see they are also their laboratory. They also provide services for using the next generation sequencing technology and Bionano Genomics. Oh la 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 la. So I can't seem to find it right now, but I'm gonna have to ask Uncle Google if I want to find it easily. But this is an example of a laboratory using Bionano Genomics in Sapphire in in Germany. I said in Sapphire. In Germany, this is an example of a laboratory using Bionano Genomics in Germany. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, because I want to show you guys where they are using Bionano Genomics. MVZ. Okay, this is it. Because I remember. Okay, you guys can easily see that I was on this website already. So OptiShare, let me just put it in English. I don't need to. What did I just do? I don't need to break my teeth. Let me just put it in English. So this is optical genome mapping, okay? Optical genome mapping, next generation cytogenomics, and of course, next generation cytogenome. Why is it translated two times? So since January 2021, MVZ Martin Reed has been the only laboratory in Germany to offer optical genome mapping from the company Bionano Genomics for routine diagnostic. Of course, this news is from February 2021, but I don't think it's true. I think we have other laboratories, we have university. I already spoke about, when I was making video about prenatal test, I also spoke about a laboratory, a university in Germany that is presently using Bionano Genomics Sapphire device, to analyze, structural variations, of course, in genomes. And so this right here is one of the laboratories in Germany using the Sapphire device, okay? They call it next generation cytogenomics. And patients with you can see what they are using it for: patients with developmental disabilities and intellectual disabilities and congenital malfunctions with normal abnormal chromosome, I believe, not normal microarray and NGS analysis. So and it goes on and so forth. So yeah, that's an example of a laboratory using the Sapphire device in Germany. Now, they need to get approved here in the UK too. Of course, we already have laboratories in the UK using the Sapphire device. Coco Stewart, where have you been? They need to, of course, expand their clients, their customer base in Europe, and that's what I believe Bionano Genomics is doing presently. FDA, they need clinical trials, like the FDA in. Clinical trials, FDA and British version of FDA. I think, FDA is only based in America. In Germany, for example, the thing is, if Bionano Genomics gets FDA approval, it's going to help, all these European bodies, the European version of FDA, for example, just like you said in British, it's going to help them to accelerate the adoption. They are going to allow Bionano Genomics to be able to install more Sapphire devices. They are going to give them accreditation and so on and so forth of the Sapphire device. So, but I don't think that is relevant. That's not super relevant because right now Bionano Genomics is already, they are making sales, and FDA approval is not stopping BNGO from making money, of course. So let's take a look at the stock price right now, what the stock price is trading at. So BNGO is going down heavily towards my support line. Towards my support line. Okay. Towards my support line. I think Tesla should stop going down at $600 level. Tesla, it should stop going down at least at this level, $600. What time is it? Almost 7 o'clock. So we have about 3 hours before the market closes. So this is the 4 hours candlestick. You guys can see, I mean, we have been seeing all this consolidation around this level. But of course, this candle right here looks to me like, a bearish breakout. We just have to wait and see what's gonna happen, okay? And Bionano Genomics, this is what I'm watching right now, guys. This is what I am watching. This is the channel I am watching right now. So this is my support line right here. I want to see if Bionano Genomics comes down to this level so that I can add to my position. I'm waiting for BNGO around this $7.24. Okay. If you take a look at this very well, you guys can see that we have a cap. There is this gap right here. This happened when Bionano Genomics announced, I believe last week. These two gaps right here, it's happened when they announced they announced Jason, the chief commerce officer, the appointment of Jason. That's when we saw this cap, okay, this gap right here. So it looks to me more or less like the price is trying to close that gap, and then we can continue upward. Like I already told you guys when we were somewhere around here, I told you there is a massive gap right here, and most of the time gaps are always filled, okay? Gaps are always filled. So the maximum of this gap is $7.17, but in my opinion, this is my support right here. So we may just break it a little bit and then consolidate around this level and then bounce. So that's what I'm watching with Bionano Genomics. Sapphire device. Yeah, the more Sapphire devices we have, the better. So this is what is happening right now, guys, with the stock market. BNGO going down heavily after opening at 7.95 US dollars. Bionano Genomics is going down heavily, guys. You guys have to watch out. This is my support. This right here. Let me just put a box. Ellipse. Let me put an ellipse around this level. This zone. You have to watch out for this zone, okay? This zone right here. You need to watch out for this zone. So let me see if there is a breaking news going on right now. Okay, so we have about 15 viewers right now. Guys, where have you been? I've been online for almost 2 hours now, waiting for you guys to talk about Bionano Genomics, because I have a beautiful news to share with you guys. Where have you been? Please introduce yourself as you join us, and please drop a like, okay, so that it helps the YouTube algorithm to spread this video to other Bionano Genomics investors, you know. Ba, ba, ba. So let's take a look at what is happening, because whenever the stock price is going down heavily, you know what always happen? Whales. That's when we always see whales come in and load their ship of Bionano. Now check this out, guys. Check this out. 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, we see a massive order, 138,965 shares of Bionano Genomics was bought at 7.94 US dollars. Okay, 7.94 US dollars. You know, just around 9:30 a.m. I believe American time. So 1.1 million US dollars is what somebody just dumped into Bionano Genomics. I think it was just when the market opened. So that's the only massive order we have for the day. That's the only massive order we have for the day. So I was talking about Bionano Genomics. Now that I have about 13 viewers, I'm going to start little by little. I was talking about Bionano Genomics profitability, guys, because you guys want to, you want to know when this company is going to be profitable so that you can be prepared, okay? So that you can be prepared. But right now the stock is, you can see where the stock is headed towards my support. You guys have to be aware of this zone. If you want to add to your position of Bionano Genomics, this is a perfect area to add to your position. You buy low, you sell high, okay? Buy low, sell high. That's the idea. So if you are a long-time invested in Bionano Genomics and you want to add to your position, so this is this right here. Guys, I mean, this is crazy, right? It's technical analysis. I didn't even plot the Fibonacci. You guys can see that we have 38.2% Fibonacci level also around this my area. 7.23 US dollars, guys. 7.23. So I'm going to move this up a little bit. 7.23 US dollars. That is where the Fibonacci level is, the 38.2% Fibonacci level. So I mean, this zone right here is supposed to provide strong support for Bionano Genomics, in my opinion, because this pattern, this is a flag. For those of you that have no idea what this pattern is called, this is a bullish flag, okay? This is a bullish flag because the trend is bullish. So whenever a flag pops up like this, it is a bullish flag. And what happens is the price is going to come down to the support level. You guys can easily see, first time we came down, bam, then we came down again, then we consolidate, then we came down again. Just 2 hours ago we came down again to test the support, and right now the price is coming down again to test this support. So these zones right here, this zone is a super strong support zone, in my opinion, okay? In my opinion. So we just have to keep watching and see what's going on with Bionano Genomics. Of course, Bionano Genomics is not the only stock that is going down. You can see Tesla is also down, and EVFM is also, more or less, I mean, not really down. I would just say, the stock is more or less correcting because it has been, rallying a lot since the past day. So this, my third stock, guys, EVFM, that's another stock that I am starting to be crazy about. I'm still gonna make video about EVFM today, but right now I'm live streaming with you guys to see what's going on with Bionano Genomics. How many percent is Bionano Genomics down right now, guys? I need to check how many percent bngo is down right now, so that's all right. So now that we have about 15 viewers, I'm going to, so bngo is down 5.37% right now. Not really bad. I mean, Bionano Genomics used to be down like 8, 7, 12, 10%. So 5% is more or less normal. And the thing is, we may see the stock price retrace a little bit before the market closes. There is a possibility that before the market closes today, Bionano Genomics is going to retrace to around above 7.5 US dollars level, because last week, my price target for last week till Friday was 7.5 US dollars. So I'm still holding on to that 7.5 US dollars level. I don't think it's going to give up easily. We have a lot of support level around that 7.5 US dollars level, 7.25 to 7.5 US dollars level. So I don't expect the stock price to, go below that level. Okay. Should in case you want to add to your position, that is it. Now that I have about 17 viewers, let's quickly talk about, I've been live for 2 hours. I've been sharing a lot of information with my viewers. So I already made a video about this, breaking news. You can find it on my channel. So I want to talk about Intuitive Surgical. This company right here is what I want to talk about, and I want to compare this company with Bionano Genomics. But what we're going to do is I'm going to so that we can keep seeing what is going on with Bionano Genomics. I have to bring it out a little bit so that we can keep seeing what is going on with bngo price. Okay, we don't want to be caught off guard. I want to see when Bionano Genomics is going to let me quickly remove this one. Let me remove this tax bar. So Intuitive Surgical. Just a second, guys. Just a second. So this one. All right. So this company right here is, you can find it under the ARC genome, not ARC genomic, ARCQ ETF. I don't even know I can't remember the full meaning of this ARCQ ETF, but this company Intuitive Surgical is number 23 in this ARCQ ETF fund. Okay, and if you click on it, you can see that it's this is what ARK Invest has been, this is what they have been doing, shares held. You can see this is the numbers of shares that ARK Invest hold in this company. Since the stock has been going up, they have been reducing their position. But the reason why I want to talk about this company and share more information about this company with you guys is because there was an article from this article right here. Let me bring it out because I want to be seeing the price action of Bionano Genomics as well. So this article right here, says three stocks. The article is from the monthly full. Okay, these three stocks will make you richer in 2021 and beyond. Okay, and this lady Andrea Simino, she spoke about Intuitive Surgical, she spoke about Bionano Genomics, and she spoke about Moderna. Okay, Moderna, you guys know Moderna making the vaccine for the C19 virus. Okay, so she spoke about Bionano Genomics and why you want to be invested in Bionano Genomics. Okay, of course, it's not only about Bionano Genomics. She also spoke about Intuitive Surgical, and I already shared more information about Intuitive Surgical with my viewers that joined me when this live stream started. IS Intuitive. Look at the chart of Intuitive, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I mean, this stock used to be, as cheap as 370 US dollars at one point. And this is where the stock is right now. Okay, this is where they are right now. But the most interesting thing about this company is, let me show you guys what this company is all about, what they are doing. Okay, what they are doing. Intuitive Surgical. So this is this company right here, Intuitive Surgical. Okay, this is what they do. They are making all these kind of crazy robotic devices that is going to help surgeons, and it's going to help surgical system. It's going to allow urology and transoral surgeons to enter the body through a single or no incision at all. This device, for example, that is what it's used for. So if you think about it, if you think about the Sapphire device, Sapphire device is right now able to help all these clinicians and researchers to detect structural variations. And right now we are just at the beginning, guys. Look at this company, for example. The stock price right now is trading at what? 872 US dollars right now. That is where the stock price of this company is trading. And believe me, they don't have their devices all over hospitals, for example. I'm going to show you guys how many devices they have managed, to sell so far. And, it's easy to compare this company to Bionano Genomics. That's why I am making this video, guys. Look at that. Da Vinci system around the world, 5,989 of these devices they have managed to sell, around the world. This Da Vinci. And countries with Da Vinci systems, 67 countries so far. Procedures performed worldwide through 2020 using Da Vinci system, 8.5 million plus procedures. Okay, I mean, this is more or less Bionano Genomics, right now. Okay, I know you guys may be, you may be arguing that Bionano Genomics is the company is more than almost 2 decades old, and the company should be already, in over 67 countries around the world. Bionano Genomics should have over 5,000 devices installed so far, 5,000 Sapphire so far. I know you guys may be arguing about that, but the thing is, Bionano Genomics, in my opinion, the real Bionano Genomics started last year. Okay, last year, August, when they acquired Lineagen, and when they increased the throughput of their Sapphire device to 96, human genomes per week. In my opinion, that is when Bionano Genomics was born. You can forget about how many years it took them to get to this present level. So now, this is an example of Bionano Genomics when they first started. Okay, let me quickly check out the stock price. You guys can see we are almost at my level, almost inside my zone. I expect the stock price to come around this level to $7.27 before I'm going to strike. I want to add to my position of Bionano Genomics today, and right now Tesla is right now at $600, which of course I believe is a good support level in case you are also invested in Tesla. EVFM is more or less not even doing anything. Amazing company. So let's continue. I'm going to come back to this price action. Now, this is where Bionano Genomics used to be. Okay, I mean, this is Bionano Genomics right now. This is Bionano Genomics right now. And at one point in time, we are going to have over 5,000 Sapphire devices all around the world. Okay, because Bionano Genomics, according to their total addressable market, they are expecting to install about 10,000 Sapphire devices worldwide. 10,000 Sapphire devices. So right now, we just have about 107 Sapphire devices installed so far. Guys, it is just the beginning. It is just the beginning. So this article from the Monthly Fold is trying to tell us to put some money into Bionano Genomics. Where is it? This article right here is trying to tell us to put some money into Bionano Genomics, to put some money into, ISRG, that is the ticker, into Intuitive Surgical. And you can easily see they said the company has installed more than 6,000 of its Da Vinci surgical systems worldwide. And guys, if you are not, I believe most of you guys are mostly interested in penny stock, or stocks that are undervalued, stocks that are presently trading in single digits. That's why I'm not telling you guys to put money into Intuitive Surgical, ISRG. But in my opinion, this stock is a buy. It is a buy, okay? Because they are doing something that has to do with robots and artificial intelligence, of course, which is something that I studied in the university. So, Bionano Genomics is the second company this lady spoke about. And of course, most of us already know all these bullish cases of Bionano Genomics. Bionano Genomics works in the business of genome analysis, and but it has a very particular specialty. Optical genome mapping, OGM, its Sapphire analysis system picks up on large social variation within the genome. They are often the key to detecting genetic disease. So she continues. Now, what about the financial picture? It's looking good. The company reported a 179% increase in first quarter revenue to $3.2 million, because in the first quarter of 2020, Bionano Genome, they reported $1.1 million in total revenue in 2020 first quarter. So in the first quarter of 2021, they report $3.2 million in total revenue. So that gives us about 179% increase in first quarter revenue, compared to 2020. So she continued. Most of us already know all these things. They reported a cash of 365 million US dollars, in for first quarter. And Bionano said all 2021 milestones are on track. Now, this is a powerful statement, and I completely agree with this lady. Okay, all milestones are on track. So if this continues, I expect Bionano Genomics to extend its gains this year. The stock is up 146% year to date. One key thing to note, Bionano is a good option for aggressive investors, but cautious investors may want to wait until the company shows steady revenue growth on an annual basis. So this is the red flag according to this lady. Bionano Genomics is not yet profitable. She is expecting them to. If you are a cautious investor, you might want to wait for Bionano Genomics to be profitable. That's all she is saying. And as you guys know, we are all retail investors. Okay, I mean, if we want to wait for Bionano Genomics to be profitable before we put our money in this company, we are going to miss most of the rally. That's why I believe most of you guys are right now watching this video, because you want to invest in a company that is super undervalued right now. That's why most of us are crazy about Bionano Genomics presently, trying to catch it while it is super cheap. So this is what is happening right now with the technical analysis. The stock price just hit, my support line, guys. This is my support line, the first support line, this one right here, the first support line. So now this is the second one, this zone right here. I want to see what's going to happen with bngo in this zone. I want to see what will happen with Bionano Genomics in this zone. Okay, this zone, because I want to add to my position. Let's see what's going to happen with bngo. Let's see what's going to happen, because right now we have lower low for the day. 7.34 US dollars. This is the lowest level for bngo for the day. So I'm waiting. I want to see what's going to happen with my zone. I want to see what will happen with my zone. I need to get a drink, guys. I'll be back. Just give me a few seconds. I'll be back. So, all right, I'm back, guys. I'm back. So it bounced. What you have to do is, this is the 1 hour candlesticks. What we have to do is to wait for the green candle. Okay, we need to wait for the buy signal. We have to wait for the buy signal. So what I'm going to do is, get rid of this bngo. So I'm going to switch over to, this is the 1 hour with my, I'm going to switch over to the 5 minute chart so that I can see everything clearly. 5-minute chart, okay? So you guys can see the double bottom right here. On the 5 minutes, you can see the double bottom. Look at that. We have been going down massively. Bam! Bam! Oh, ha, ha. So according to my chart from the 1 hour, this support level is 7.24 US dollars. 7.24 US dollars, guys. 7.24 US dollars. 24 US dollars. Somewhere around here. 7.24 US dollars, okay? 7.24 US dollars. And so that's what I'm going to be waiting for. So if we manage to, if this candlestick, if we manage to move above this level, then it means we found a bottom. Okay, it means we have a bottom. If we manage to move above this level, it means we have a bottom. So I already opened one position at this level because this is a double bottom on 5 minutes chart. I already opened one position at this level. So if we manage to come down to this level, I'm going to open my last position, and that should be it. But I don't think we are going to see. We will see, because we still have about how many hours before the market closes? We have about 3 hours before the market closes. So that's it, guys. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe they're going to share some good news with us. So I think we have a bottom. You guys can see that my zone was more or less touched and then bounced. Okay, this support right here, we touch it and then we are bouncing. So let's see what's gonna happen. I mean, I expect bngo to close around this level, around the 7.5 years last level. I don't expect us to close super red today. I expect us to retrace around this 7.5 years last level. That's why I expect us to close today. So 7.5 years dollars, guys. That's where I am expecting us to close. Now, intuitive. So according to that article that I was sharing with you guys, where is it? Okay, this is it. According to this article that I was sharing with you guys, so the writer says if you want to be rich in 2021, you should invest in these 3 stocks: Intuitive Surgical, Bionano Genomics, and of course Moderna. But Moderna is more or less a vaccine company, pharmaceutical company, and I think they are paying very good dividend. I think Moderna is paying dividend. I'm not really sure, but isn't a corona vaccine only company? It's cytomegalovirus vaccine candidate is set to begin a phase 3 pivotal trial this year. CMV is a common virus that is particularly dangerous for people who are pregnant or have a weakened immune system. Moderna also has more than 20 other programs in the pipeline, so there is plenty to keep Moderna's shares moving higher this year and in the years to come. So, I mean, if you are interested in Moderna, I mean, this is the third stocks that this article is suggesting. So, like I said, in my opinion, Intuitive Surgical is a good one, but right now the stock price is 800 and something US dollars, which of course is a lot. And Bionano Genomics is the second one, which of course is more or less, at the infant stage. And the third one is Moderna. So I am super bullish, Bionano Genomics, and I'm more or less bullish Intuitive Surgical as well, but not as bullish as I am, bngo. So I think that's all about the title of this live stream. So what we are going to do is we're just gonna keep chilling. When do you expect us to see 10 US dollars? 10 US dollars. Whoa, 10 US dollars is that's a very nice question. That is a very nice question. Before I can answer that question, let's take a look at the market cap of Bionano Genomics. So the market cap of BNG right now is 2 billion US dollars, right? 2 billion US dollars. So if we are going to get to that 10 US dollars level, it means this market cap is going to move somewhere above 2.5 billion US dollars. I think Normally, I was expecting us to see 10 US dollars. And of course, I think I should just say I am expecting us to see 10 US dollars maximum. Toward my hope was, towards the end of second quarter, my hope was we are going to see 10 US dollars. But as you guys can see from the technical chart, we got above 9 US dollars at this level. At this level, we just got right above 9 US dollars at this level. Then, you know what happened? We consolidated back down. I want to make it bigger. Then we came back down. Now, if you're talking about 10 US dollars, this is where 10 US dollars is right now. This is where 10 US dollars is right now. 10 US dollars is somewhere around here. So if we manage to get out of this range, we need to get out of this range, and then we need to continue with the bullish. So you just have to watch out for this level. So this is the 1 hour candlestick. And I think, towards the end of this quarter, I'm still optimistic that we are going to see 9 US dollars once again, and hopefully we can see 10 US dollars. And of course, we have like 2 weeks before this quarter is going to end. And if not, if we don't see 10 US dollars before the end of this month, we need to wait till Bionano Genomics report their second quarter report, their earnings for the second quarter. If the earnings is positive, if it is positive, I believe if the earnings, if they report positive earnings, we will definitely see 10 US dollars. Okay, we definitely will see 10 US dollars. So I think that's all I can share with you guys about the price target of 10 US dollars. Of course, I am long time invested, and that's why I come online every day to show you guys what is going on. So we just have to keep trending it like this, and slow and steady. That's more or less what the stock is going. It's not going parabolic so far. It's going up and then correcting. So now this is another something that is interesting, guys. This is also interesting. This is interesting. Look at that. If you guys know anything about flag, I mean, if you know anything about cup and handle, they call it. I said flag, cup and handle. So 9 point something US dollars, 10 US dollars. So I believe we are going to break to the upside. I still strongly believe we are going to break to the upside. Okay. So this is the 5-minute chart. I strongly believe we are going to break to the upside. So because we are flagging right now 10 US dollars towards the end of this month, or we have to wait till they report the second quarter earnings. If the second quarter earning is super positive, we should get above 10 US dollars easily. We should get above that level. I still believe we are going to retest the all-time high once again. In my opinion, we have to retest the all-time high once again, guys. The share price, the Russell, you guys have to remember that the Russell 3000 was more or less announced. It was more or less announced, I think, from last week till this is yesterday. And this is what we saw yesterday. And what happened, we saw every day traders sold that rally. They sold it. They sold the rip. So that's why we are coming down. I believe this is the Russell 3000, rally right here. I believe this was the rally of the Russell 3000. And we can easily see the stock is, retracing again since then. So this rally right here is from Jason, the chief commerce officer. And this for sure is the Russell 3000 rally. So we just have to wait. The breaking news that happened today, for example, was not priced into this stock. That news that Bionano Genomics shared that I made a video about was not priced. It is not yet priced into this stock. Okay, I mean, there is nothing priced right now about that news. So the 5-minute chart, you guys can see it's struggling. This is the 5-minute chart. It is struggling with the double bottom. We are going to see. I don't expect this to break. And if it breaks, my last support right here, 7.24 US dollars is my last support. So if this one breaks, this should hold. But I don't expect this to break, guys. I don't expect it to break. We'll see. We just have to keep watching it. Bionano Genomics. Bionano Genomics. So institutional investors are more or less the same. There is nothing new about institutional investors. Nothing is going on apart from what I already shared with you guys about, the stocks that somebody is buying. Institutional investors are buying this stock every day on a daily basis. On a daily basis, they are adding to their portfolio, their Bionano Genomics portfolio. So Tesla 600 US dollars is holding so far. It is holding so far. And Bionano Genomics support also is holding so far. We just have to move above this level. We need to break this 7.4 US dollars level. Then we can see the stock price continue to go higher. If I was day trading, I mean, I already opened a position around this level today, guys. Okay. And if we come back down to 7.24, I'm going to open my last position. So if I was day trading Bionano Genomics, this is a good zone to buy. And once we break out, before the market closes, I would, close my position. So this is the double bottom that is happening right now, guys. This is the double bottom. I believe bngo found a bottom. Okay, I believe we found a bottom. So I'm trying to see if there is a news out there about Bionano Genomics, but so far there is nothing going on so far. No news, no breaking news about bngo so far. Um So Bionano Genomics, you guys can see the stock price is rising a little by little. You guys can see we found a bottom around this level. This is the zone that I drew, over 1 hour ago, and I told you guys that this right here is a super strong support level. So the 1 hour candlestick seems to have found a bottom around this level. So I mean, from now on, if this candle close green, from now on, the only way is up. The only way is up, in my opinion. I don't expect us to go below 7.35 US dollars, for example. So you guys can see what's going on. I mean, this is technical analysis. Technical analysis. 300,000 shorted today. Crazy. Just all these short sellers, I'm not really super worried about, short sellers shorting bngo and so on. They are going to get whooped. Their backside is going to get whooped. They are going to get wrecked. Believe me. That's why I'm focused on long-term investor, long-term price action of bngo. I mean, all this 5 minute chart, for example, is more or less just to, have some fun and see what is going on. But in the long run, they are going to get wrecked. If they like, they can short, 500,000. Who cares? They will get wrecked. Oh, I need to. Oh. So the price is, you can easily see. It looks like we found a bottom. I'm going to put my EVFM, my third stock. I'm going to put it on this side. 30 minutes. This is my third stock right here, EVFM. And of course, Tesla has also found a bottom. Like I told you guys, 600 US dollars. I don't expect 600 US dollars to give up easily. So, I mean, a perfect place to, open a position in Tesla, 600 US dollars. Perfect zone to open a position in Tesla. Mm-hmm. I'm checking out stock tweet, and all these guys are just going crazy on stock tweets, going crazy about Bionano Genomics. Short squeeze mania. Bionano. Okay. I think there is. All right, guys. June. Okay, this is from June 14th. There is an article out there, guys, about Bionano Genomics. but this is from Nasdaq, Chris McDonald from Tipran. Okay, this is the same article from. Let's check out this article while we wait for the stock price to, do something. Do something. Let's check out this article, guys. This one is from Tipranks. It's from yesterday, and they are talking about, the title says, "Can short squeeze?" Where is it? Where is it? Come out, come out. "Can short squeeze mania fuel Bionano higher?" That is the title. This article is from Tip Ranks, written by Chris McDonald, MC Donald. So this is an article shared from Tip Ranks. I was reading it a little bit today, and strong buy, price target of $12. $12 price target. Bottom line, meme stock mania is indeed in full swing. However, for the average investor who has not partaken in this action, staying on the sidelines is a much safer and more comfortable place to be right now. Making a quick buck on this play is certainly intriguing, and traders love the volatility, but until this stock become valued on the basis of their fundamental, of course, I don't expect them to say something else. These guys are going to write article. You are going to think it's a bullish article about Bionano Genomics. Then all of a sudden they are going to tell you, yeah, you have to stay on the sideline because of the fundamental analysis, and the stock price is more or less perfectly, priced into the priced, and right now you just have to wait till they install more sapphires or till they become more profitable, blah blah blah. Where were these people when Bionano Genomics was trading at 50 cents last year, December? What were they saying in December when this stock was trading at 50 cents? Were they telling you guys to buy? Of course not. So that's what they will keep saying. It's more or less a clickbait, article. They are going to tell you sweet things about, the sapphire devices, how they are able to detect structural variations that other companies are unable to detect, blah blah blah. Look at this. The company Sapphire system is the crown jewel most investors spend on their time looking at. Sapphire has gained accolades from for the result it has achieved through its optical genome mapping technology. So this is what they are doing more or less. They are going to tell you Sapphire device this, Sapphire device that. It's now a celebrity device. And then at the end of the day, this person will tell you, yeah, the stock price right now is perfectly priced, and you might want to wait on the sideline, and blah 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 blah, for the fundamental to kick in. So so of course it's a good article. Okay, we need to keep getting more media attention, which of course is good for Bionano Genomics. For example, my channel, for example, is also giving Bionano Genomics some extra media exposure. So it's, of course, it is good article in my opinion. But if you want to invest based on what this writer, Chris McDonald, or what is his name, is saying about Bionano Genomics, then you are not going to make any profit. You have to wait till the company is profitable, which of course is going to be in 2 years. And then by then, you guys know that most of the time investors are pricing in future catalysts into stock. That's what happens most of the time. Just like right now, we have already priced in a lot of things into this stock. That's why Bionano Genomics need to keep delivering. They need to keep delivering. They need to keep installing more Sapphire devices so that at least we can keep pressing in a lot of bullish catalysts. So yeah, it's a good article. It starts with genomics is a big deal for long-term growth investors indeed. This is one key sector that hyper-growth investors like Cathy Wood are increasingly focusing on. Wood recently launched Arc Genomic Revolution ETF. ArcG has seen impressive capital flows of late, with the potential in this sector seemingly only starting to be recognized by investors. The hope among many hyper-growth investors is that the upswing in these stocks has just begun. So that's a beautiful opening speech. That's a beautiful opening speech. You guys know that of course, ARK investors are not into Bionano Genomics. We already spoke about it. Several times we already spoke about why ARK Invest is not into Bionano Genomics, and if they will ever, put money into bngo or not. So maybe ARK Invest is also waiting for profitability. They are waiting for Sapphire device to maybe get FDA approval before they can jump, on this train. So now look at this. This is about lineaging. Bionano's lineaging line of business is an intriguing one for investors looking to put their money to work in a company doing good for the world. So now this is one of the reason. This is one of the reason why I am crazy about bngo. This company is doing good for the world. Okay. Through lineaging, Bionano provides diagnostic testing for patients with autism spectrum disorder, ASD, and other neurodevelopmental disabilities. So it's a good article. It is a good one. This is a good article. And so the writer is saying you have to wait till the fundamental is solid, till the company is profitable before you should put your money into Bionano Genomics. That's what more or less what the writer is saying. Mark D, what's up? What's up, brother? Yeah, they will be wishing they have just 10 shares. 10 shares. Can you imagine? I mean, look at that. BNGO right now is 7.38 US dollars. You can easily put like 50 US dollars in this company and you can own about, over 5 shares of Bionano Genomics, maybe 7 shares of BNGO right now. If you put 50 US dollars. And the thing is, most investors are not going to put, 50 US dollars into this company. What they'll be saying is, it's not gonna double overnight, all these kind of things. But what if when Tesla was trading at this same level, you put 50 US dollars into Tesla? I mean, you would right now be sitting on over 10,000 US dollars with your 50 US dollars. And when BNGO was trading at 50 cents, I opened a position. I even made a tweet about it. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. I made a tweet about it. I opened position in Bionano Genomics, and I'm going to show you how much that position is, how high it is right now. Let me show you guys. I made a tweet about it like I think this morning. I tweet about it. Now this is it. This is it, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a position I opened. Look at this, guys. This is a position I opened in Bionano Genomics in December. One of my positions, of course. This position, I opened it with 50 US dollars. It's got me 69.4 units of Bionano Genomics. And you guys, this is from yesterday's closing, okay, 7.81 US dollars. So I opened this position on Christmas. Several positions on Christmas, okay. One of my positions on the 24th of December 2020. 24th of December 2020, when most people are celebrating Christmas, thinking about Santa Claus, thinking about what gift their partner is going to give them, or so on and so forth. I was busy thinking about Bionano Genomics, and you guys can easily see this position right now. When I made this, when I saved this file this morning, market was still closed, okay. 7.98 81 US dollars. That was the stock price. Yesterday closing, the position was up 985.56%, guys. At one point, when Bionano Genomics was trading at let me close this. When Bionano Genomics was trading at let us use this one at 15 point something US dollars. At this level, let me switch over to the weeklies. At this level, when Bionano Genomics was trading at this level, guys, that position was up over 2,000%. Over 2,000%. 50 US dollars, guys. The position was up over 2,000%. So if I have a price target of 100 US dollars, okay, 100 US dollars, and that 50 US dollar, that single position is going to turn into thousands of US dollars. And I would look back and I would be happy that I didn't close the position. So I completely agree with you, Zach. Zach, what's up, brother? What's going on? You have to cash them. When BNG was 50 cents, nobody wanted to put money in that company. Right now, the stock went to 15 point something US dollars, and most of us we are crazy about the company. It was somewhere around here. Nobody wanted it, and the same thing is happening right now. That's what is gonna keep happening. Now we see the stock price going down, making all these kind of noises. sooner or later the stock price is going to be around this level, 25 years the last level. And of course, I'm going to come back to this channel and laugh about it. We are going to be around this level. I don't know when, maybe next year. Okay, we will be around this level, 25 years the last level. And then we are going to look back to all this level. Right now I am looking back to that 50 cents, and every day I am wondering why I didn't sell everything, sell one of my kidneys, sell one of my balls, and dump everything into Bionano Genomics. Right now I would be sitting on thousands, if not millions, of US dollars. So yeah, this is what is happening right now with the stock price, guys. This is what is happening. We are still fighting with this support right here. We are still fighting with the support. So let's see what's gonna happen. Diamond hand. So let me quickly take a look at the SEC filing. Because I am expecting a breaking news today, guys. I am still expecting a breaking news. I think Bionano Genomics is going to drop it somewhere in the middle of the night. In the next 6-7 hours, maybe they are going to drop the news, the SEC filing. So nothing so far. I'm still expecting a filing, a more or less a Form 4 filing of the chief business officer. I want to see how many shares Bionano Genomics are going to offer this gentleman. And because they offered the chief commerce officer, they offered him about 400,000 shares, stock options. So I want to see how many they are going to grant the chief business officer, how many shares of Bionano Genomics they are going to give the guy. So I am still waiting for that breaking news. So this is what is happening so far with bngo. Markel and Smithsonian, what's going on, baby? I'm trying my best to bring the beautiful news to Bionano Genomics investor. So Adam Master, what's up, brother? Yeah, tomorrow there's going to be a news tomorrow. Jeremy Powell, I believe, Fed, they are going to be speaking tomorrow. I'm going to share it with you guys. I already spoke about this today. If you go and see my video, the last video that I posted about, a breaking news, I spoke about it, why the market is going down. And of course, I was expecting the market to keep, what's the name of this website? Forex Live. I was expecting the market to actually go down today because tomorrow is that crazy news. Okay. So where is it? I'm going to find you guys the news in a minute. Okay, I found it. This is why the market is going down today, guys. This is why the market is going down today. If you see my previous video, if you have already seen it, then you must already know about it. So this right here is why the market is going down today. You guys can see US stock trade to new session lows, and Nasdaq, S&P 500, they are of course also very down right now. So guys, we just broke my support. Okay, not yet broken. Not yet broken. Not yet broken. So this is the news right here. The 30-year yield is at 2.2% when this article was posted. Okay, 2.2%, up 1.7 basis. So it's more or less about inflation. So most good stock right now, they are getting hammered. As you guys can see, Tesla also got hammered today so far. It found a bottom at $600 US, and Bionano Genomics, in my opinion, also found has found a bottom so far at this $7.35 level. So we just have to see. We have to wait and see what the stock price is going to close today. So this is why the market is down right now. And tomorrow, a Fed is going to be speaking tomorrow. Okay, and a lot of people are watching it. That's why I believe institutional investors, they are taking some money off the table. Should in case the Fed is going to talk some nonsense, then the market is going to go further down. So hopefully we are going to get good news tomorrow. But I don't expect the news to be bad. Okay, I mean, this more or less a temporary news in my opinion. I expect the markets to recover tomorrow. I expect us to find bottom today, and then the trend is going to continue higher. So if you go to Forex Life, you can find a lot of news relating to what the Feds are saying relating to currency, of course, because I also follow currency market. Okay, I mean, I from time to time I trade US dollar, Japanese yen, for example, or US dollar, British pounds, or and so on and so forth. So I also come here from time to time to see what is going on, and of course, so that I can provide you guys with valuable information. I need to know more or less what is going on in the entire market. Now, this is another news. Look at this. Look at this. This for sure. Atlanta Fed GDP now forecast rises to 10 points from 9.3%. So GDP the estimate of 10 points. So this another news right here, guys. 5% to 70% respectively. So all these Feds, whenever they just go online and talk some kind of things, they are the one affecting the markets. And of course, Bionano Genomics is a more or less a growth stock, mid-cap stock, and it's mostly affected with most of all these crazy news affect Bionano Genomics, just like most stock, like Nano Dimension, for example. They also get affected as well. US business investor stock trade to new session lows. So I already read this with you guys. I already shared it with you. I think that is all. We don't have any other breaking news going on right now. So we just have to wait till tomorrow. We have to wait till tomorrow. If you want to see what's gonna happen tomorrow, you can go to the calendar, economic calendar. Economic calendar. Economic calendar. Okay, so new house. Oh la 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 la. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Where is it? Why is it so big? So this is Tuesday. This is what we are still expecting for today, and then okay, Wednesday, June 16. So this is the economic calendar for tomorrow. I hope you guys can see it clearly. Let me just take myself away for a minute. Okay. bngo president needs to put it on his Christmas and card mailing. Crazy. I am Dayo. I'm almost nobody. I don't even think Bionano Genomics knows who I am anyway. So this is what you guys should be. This is what's gonna happen tomorrow. This is the economic calendar for tomorrow, June 16. You guys can easily see. So let's take a look at what Fed, for example, something that has to do with inflation. This right here is from China. It always starts with China in the middle of the night in Germany. Of course, I believe that is evening in America or night. Then we have England. This is what is gonna happen in England tomorrow. So we have to go to America. So America starts from around 11. We are going to start with MBA mortgage application at 11. Then we are going to start with this housing, okay, building permits, housing starts change, import price index, and so on and so forth. And then we will go over till this when I believe the market is going to open. Then we are going to get the EIA crude oil stock change. Okay, FOMC economic projection. So this right here is going to be 6 p.m. German time tomorrow. This one right here, FOMC economic projection. I believe this right here is the reason the stock market is going down right now, guys. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this. I don't know if you're not familiar with it. Just let me know in the comment section. I mean, I have been following this for years. So if you are into oil trading, for example, oil trader, They want to know what's going to happen here. EIA crude oil stock change, and of course there should be another oil. There is supposed to be one more oil, or it's already happened today. I think it was released today. Oil report. So this is what I believe. This is the reason why I believe the market is going down today, guys. We have FOMC calendar projection, which is going to be tomorrow. We have Fed's monetary policy statements tomorrow. Fed interest rate decision, okay? Fed interest rate decision, 6 p.m. German time tomorrow. And you guys can easily see, right now the thing is at 0.25%, and the forecast. Let me see if there is more news. Okay, with a preset regularity, a nation central bank has an economic policy meeting in which board members took different measures. The most relevant one, Board of Governors of Federal Reserve meets at an interval of 5 to 8 weeks, in which they announce their latest decision. A rate hike tends to boost the local currency, as it is understood as a sign of a healthy inflation. A rate cut, on the other hand, it's seen as a sign of economic and inflationary woes, and therefore tends to weaken the local currency. So if they cut rates tomorrow, US dollar is going to go down. It means, for example, euro is going to go up and US dollar is going to go down. And that's an example, okay? It depends on what currency pair you want to trade it with. And stock price, if they cut, interest rate, stock price is expected to go higher, okay? And if they don't cut interest rate, if the interest rate remains the same, then we are just going to see the stock price more or less, go up a little bit, but they are not going to go super high. So I don't expect them to, cut interest rate, and I don't expect them to also, increase the interest rate. I don't expect them to, perform some kind of rate hike. I just expect them to keep it. So this more or less what most people are expecting. Right now, the interest rate is 0.25%, and I believe they are going to leave it the same to 0.25%. So I mean, that's what I expect tomorrow. But nobody knows what the Feds are going to say. Nobody knows. That's why the market is always panicking whenever this kind of news is about to come out. That's when you see, traders taking profit, running away from their position because they don't want to be caught off guard. Okay, nobody wants to be caught off with this kind of news. I mean, nobody wants the Fed to just come online and say, okay, we are going to increase the interest rate and the dollar is going to go up, and all cryptocurrency, for example, I think that I don't know, this is not about cryptocurrency. So the stock market, for example, if they increase the interest rate, stock market is going to more or less go down. Okay, Tesla is going to go down for sure. Tesla will go down less than $600. Bionano Genomics for sure is going to be affected as well. Okay, so I think that's I mean, I don't need to talk a lot about it. That's what is going to happen tomorrow. And Fed interest rate decision, FOMC press conference, of course, you're going to see the Fed. They're going to come online and talk about what they are, about the interest rate and what we should be looking for in the nearest future, maybe for next month, maybe for next quarter, for example. And yeah, so what else? And then we have this I think that is all. So this is going to happen. The first one is going to be 6 p.m. tomorrow. So guys, I mean, if we see, for example, Bionano Genomics, I hope Bionano Genomics is going to rally a little bit to $7.75 before that crazy announcement tomorrow. So should in case traders want to panic, we are going to see the price come down to the same level around this area. Okay, but in my opinion, I stay positive. I don't expect crazy announcement to be made tomorrow, because you can easily see most of it has been priced in today. Okay, you can see most of it has been priced in today. So I mean, if the interest rate remains the same, we are just going to continue on the upward trajectory. That's what I expect. And if they reduce interest rate, I don't expect them to cut interest rate. I expect them to keep it at 0.25%. So if they cut it, let's say they cut it, okay, to let's say 0.15, then this stock price is going to fly. It's going to go parabolic. It will go parabolic. So yeah, I think that is all you guys have to expect tomorrow. That's what we should be expecting tomorrow. What's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? So, I'm gonna wait like 12 more minutes, then I can end this video because I still have to make video today. I just want to see if the price of bngo is going to, get above this line. As you guys can see, it's more or less stable for now. We were going down heavily, and now it's more or less, more or less stable. So, I don't expect us to go below this 7.77 35 US dollars. I don't expect it to happen. I want to change this music. I want to change this music. I want to change this music. This is punk. What email? What message did you send to Eric? I sent message to Bionano Genomics. I emailed Bionano Genomics. I think it's over 1 month now. Up to date, no response, no reply from Bionano Genomics. It's crazy. They are not responding to retail investors or media or something like that. They didn't respond to my email. Bro, I don't think Binance Genomics will respond to your email. Believe me, I also sent an email to them and they didn't respond. I don't think they are going to respond. I don't know why. I don't know why. So what I'm going to tell you is if you want to for the main fact that they if not this I mean they know what you are doing. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I mean, I just what I sent them was, I think it was about 2 months ago. I wrote Bionano Genomics that I would love to know the laboratories in Germany that are presently piloting the Sapphire device, and I needed a list of all the laboratories they have in Germany that is presently using all their customers in Germany. So that was the email I sent to them, and up till date, no response. So I just went ahead on internet and I found, all those laboratories that I needed to, and I made my video. I wanted to make a video talking about the laboratories in Germany using the Sapphire device, okay? But I was able to make the video. They didn't respond to my email. Right now I don't know. I used my private email. I didn't use any work email. I just used my private email to send them an email. Just like a normal retail investor, okay? Just like anybody. I mean, I just sent them an email requesting the names of the laboratories in Germany that are already using the Bionano Genomics Sapphire device, and nothing came back. Nothing came back. I was expecting them to at least, respond to my email and tell me how many laboratories in Germany they are planning to. But of course, that would more or less be like an insider information. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to go to prison because of Bionano Genomics. So maybe that's why they didn't reply to my email, because they know I always dig deeper into this company. They know if they tell me the names, I'm definitely going to find out more information that they don't want to share with us. That's what I do on my channel most of the time. So guys, I think we are almost out of this. You guys can easily see my support is holding so far. I think this is the end. This is the end, in my opinion. We are almost out of it, almost. So we have about how many? We have about 2 hours left before the stock market closes. I think we are almost out of this crazy downtrend. So finally, we have a green candle on the 30-minute chart. You guys can easily see we are right now at the bottom. So this is my support zone right now, and I mean, I wouldn't be shocked if Bionano Genomics price comes down to this level and bounce strong. So you guys have to watch out. Tomorrow, I don't think I'm going to be live streaming tomorrow, but I'm definitely going to make a video, to show you guys what is going on and what you should expect tomorrow. So like I already told you guys what's going to happen tomorrow with the announcement. The FOMC report is going to be tomorrow at 6 p.m. German time, I believe, 18 o'clock. And the Feds, they are going to be making decision about interest rates. That's why Bionano Genomics is going down right now. For those of you that are just joining us, this right here is the reason. This right here is the reason Bionano Genomics is going down, guys. You guys can see we have FOMC economic projection reports tomorrow at 18. Okay, and then we have the Fed's monetary policy. Okay, you guys cannot see me. I didn't bring it back on. And then we have the Fed monetary policy statement tomorrow as well. Fed interest rate decision tomorrow as well. If I was a day trader, I wouldn't open any position today. I would more or less close almost all my position in currency. If I was trading currency right now, I would close all my position and wait till after this decision. Okay, after this decision, the Fed interest rate decision, which of course always affect currency prices. It's going to affect US dollars. If US dollar goes down, it means stock prices are going to go higher. Okay, so yeah, that's all about tomorrow. Lineage will drive Sapphire. Sapphire is driving Lineage. Lineage insurance paid, FDA approval, every fetus tested, prenatal testing, postnatal testing. That's what the Sapphire is going to keep doing. Lineage, of course, is going to keep helping patients. It's going to keep helping researchers to figure out why there is developmental delay disorder, for example, or autism, for example. That's what Lineage is using the Sapphire device to do right now. And of course, Bionano Genomics is generating tons of data from Lineage. Nobody is talking about that. This more or less like Tesla autopilot system. No, forget about autopilot. This more or less like Tesla cars, whenever they are going, they are collecting tons of information about the road, about the driver's behavior, the speed, the traffic sign, which of course Tesla is in return using to develop, their user interface, increase their user experience. They are using it to develop their autopilot system, for example. So this is more or less what Lineagen is doing to Bionano Genomics right now. Lineagen is collecting tons of information, tons of data from patients, because Lineagen right now is being used to, to check autism, to check developmental delay disorder, to check, I believe at one point we are going to be talking about prenatal testing and postnatal testing as well from Lineagen. And of course, Lineagen is bringing us millions of US dollars in revenue, every quarter. So nobody is talking about this data that Lineagen is, piling up. Nobody's talking about it. So that is another thing. I mean, ARK Invest they would be talking about it, but ARK Invest is not involved in Bionano Genomics right now. That's why we don't have enough information. I, for example, am trying my best with this channel to share more information about Bionano Genomics with you guys, for example. And most of all these articles that we are reading on the monthly food, for example, on Yahoo Finance, most of their writers are not really into genomic stocks. Okay, they just get topic from their boss, from the monthly food, for example. The boss can just, okay, you guys go and write about Bionano Genomics, you go and write about Illumina. Most of these guys are not really analysts. They are not really deep into this talk. They just get paid for putting some article together, which is of course very easy thing to do. So what I'm trying to say is, if we start to get more media coverages, if we start to get more let me show you guys something. For example, what's the name of this website once again? Tip ranks, Kevin Degila. Okay, let's start from Kevin Degila. Hopefully Tip rank is going to show me this crazy thing. So let me show you guys something. I mean, we need more analyst coverage of Bionano Genomics. Right now, we can easily see we have just 3 ratings, okay? Strong buy. We have just 3 analysts covering Bionano Genomics right now, okay? And of course, this guy, what is his name even? Of course, it's 4 analysts, but one of them stopped, he stopped covering bngo. I can't even remember his name. So we need more analysts to cover Bionano Genomics, because if we have more analysts covering bngo, then we can also have more information about the company. Because whenever analysts cover a stock, they have to post their own due diligence as well, just like most of us have already, just like we have already did. Just like my due diligence, for example, when we have more analysts coming on board, they are going to come on board with their own due diligence. Like, for example, from Maxim Group analysts, look at this. So this, for example, is from Maxim Group analyst, about Bionano Genomics. You guys can easily see this is what I'm talking about. The more analysts we have covering Bionano Genomics, the more information we can have about the company. You guys can easily see the model of Bionano Genomics from Maxim Group analyst Kevin Degira, I believe that is his name. You guys can easily see his projection, what he's expecting the company to turn into in the next, couple of years till 2030, for example. This is it right here. I'm going to zoom it a little bit so that we can look at this. For example, 2028, for example, he's expecting Bionano Genomics to report about 659 million US dollars in total revenue. Okay, so this is an example why we need more analyst coverage of Bionano Genomics, because I would love to hear about bngo from other analysts. Okay, this is another example. And yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say, guys. We found a bottom. I'm trying to I'm trying to see where the money is moving today. AMC is up 3.63%. AMC. I think we have a bottom, like I have already been saying like 15 minutes ago. I believe Bionano Genomics has bottomed. Okay, I think that is it for today. We have bottomed. I don't expect the price to go down further anymore. So, but I want to see where this 5 minute chart is. We have about 4 minutes left for this candle to close. I want to see how this candle is going to close, guys. This looks like a bullish signal to me. This looks like a bullish signal on the 5 minutes. I've been waiting for this. I want to see how it's going to close. I want to see how it's going to close. Maybe I can quickly make a, add to my position. I want to see how it's going to close. You guys can see we are consolidating at this level. bngo is consolidating at this level, guys. Consolidating since almost over 1 hour now. We have been consolidating at this level. Over an hour. Riot. Riot is hop. Riot blockchain. Riot blockchain. Are you guys invested in this company as well? Riot. I have some investment in Riot blockchain. Look at that. Look at Riot. Riot. RIO. This. Flagging. It's flagging. It's flagging. And Mara, Riot is up. I think Mara is also up. Let's check out Mara. Marathon Patent Group. Of course, Mara is also up. You guys can see Mara is up. I also have some investment in Mara. These guys are into blockchain, Bitcoin mining and so on and so forth. So this is Mara. So one more minute, guys. I want to see how this candle is going to close. One more minute. We have a minute left. I want to see how this candle is going to close. This candle right here. This one. It's closed bullish. This candle closed bullish. This is a bullish pattern, but let's see what's going to happen. This is a bullish pattern, guys. Let's see what is going to happen. On the 5 minutes chart, okay? 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes chart. So where I would put my support right now, if I was day trading this, I would put my support right here. Just somewhere around here. That's where I would put my support. But this pattern is a bullish pattern. If you are into technical analysis, like I have been saying, I believe Bionano Genomics has found a bottom. Guys, you know what just happened? You know what just happened, guys? Let me show you what just happened. I just got, a notification from Bionano Genomics business, the chief business officer, Richard. I just got a notification from Richard. He just liked one of my tweets that I said I updated, Bionano Genomics Bible. He just liked it. So that's what just happened like few seconds ago. Look at that, guys. I'm going to show you. Look at that. This is the chief business officer of Bionano Genomics, Rich Shippy. He just liked this tweet. I made this tweet this morning because I updated my bngo Bible, and you can see I added the latest senior management members, Rich Shippy and Jason Pryor, to this list. So I mean, he liked it. He liked it. I think the guy is a cool person. Look at this, guys. I just got I want to share this message with you guys. Look at this. Now this is from Santi Lope from Stock Tweets. Okay, guys. Now, I mean, if I was day trading this, I would close my position right here, 7 point something US dollars. So it seems the stock price is going further down. So now we are entering my zone. Okay, this is my zone, and this is my last support area. This line right here, that's my last support area. Then everything on this chart can be thrown to trash. All the way from here, all the way from the bottom. If we break this support right here, then everything is more or less not valid anymore. That's the idea of technical analysis. But so far, I think it is still holding. We just have to keep waiting and see. So I want to share something with you guys. Where is it? I want to share something with you guys. This right here, Sentinel shared this and he said, BNGO boring, but I will say it again. Just another day closer to life-altering catalysts that will prepare the stock to new heights. And one of the catalysts that I believe can propel Bionano Genomics to all-time high is the FDA approval that I just, spoke about with you guys some hours ago. And of course, and he also said, EU accreditation. We need more EU accreditation. Lineage managed care expansion, Far East ramp, Quest, GeneDx, NIH grant, and then Illumina. So these are some of the catalysts that, according to Santi Lope, he is expecting from Bionano Genomics any moment from now. But of course, nobody knows when they are going to drop that news. Okay, that's why it's always good to be long-term invested. You don't have any insider information about the company. You don't know what's happening with the company. So all you just have to do is hold on to your stocks and hopefully be able to buy in cheaper. So this right here has been broken. I need to get rid of it. This was my support line right here. And let's see what's gonna happen, because this right here normally is a super bullish signal. But if this stock price is going down, then you guys should know what you should expect. Like I already shared with you guys, tomorrow we have a lot of news happening tomorrow. Not here. I think I closed it already. From Forex Live. So this what is happening tomorrow, guys. From Forex Live economic calendar. We have FOMC meeting tomorrow at 6 p.m. German time. I believe that's why most of all these stocks are going crazy right now. For those of you that are just joining us on this channel, because I can see I now have about 15 viewers all of a sudden again. So FOMC tomorrow, 18 o'clock. Then there is going to be Fed interest rate decision. They are going to decide if they will keep interest rate or if they are going to reduce it or if they are going to, increase it. So you guys want to watch out for tomorrow, 6 o'clock p.m. So there is a possibility that there won't be any action, because even today, there was a breaking news today from Bionano Genomics. And as you guys can see, this FOMC and interest rate decision seems to be super powerful, more than any breaking news that we have seen so far today. So the stock price is going down. Not only Bionano Genomics, of course, we have other stocks also going down. So not only Bionano Genomics, Tesla also went down, and Mara is more or less a technology company that's deals with blockchain. Mara and what's the name of the other one? And block. Blink. No, not Blink. What? Riot blockchain. God, oh my God, Riot blockchain. So you guys can see Riot blockchain is also it's also up. Unlike Bionano Genomics, Riot blockchain is up. Let me bring this right here. So I think that is all about BNGO. More or less, the price should just be like this. I don't expect any more action to happen today. Okay, I don't expect any action to continue to happen with BNGO today. So this, for example, is a good. I have some position in Riot, and it's super good to see something going up at least. Okay, it's good to see something going up. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is where I'm going to end this video. I wish you guys a wonderful evening. I need to make video again about Bionano. Once the market close, I'm going to make another video to let you guys know what's happened today. You know, more or less to ramp everything up and to wrap it up. And of course, I'm going to make another video about EVFM, my second stock, and I'm going to be posting it on my second channel. Okay, so if you are interested in EVFM, Evofem Biosciences, you want to go to my second channel and subscribe so that you can, you know, get more information about this stock. I have tons of information that I would still share about this company, but you know, yeah. So that's all, guys. Have a wonderful day, guys. I'm your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Ciao.